And guys, now we are come here and look how to hide this temple, guys. And this sides people say the Babaji's Khuti of this temple. This is the Ma Durga. This is Lord Ganesha. This is Ma Lakshmi, and here is the Narsimha Bhagwan. And guys, now I just the take darshan of the this site, and here is a one whale, guys, and this whale is a very old, guys, because. And guys, now I come on this side, guys, and look, guys, how is this side. This is a hidden way, and I think this is side goes to the downside of this temple, guys, and this is another way to go to the up, guys, of this temple, guys, and this is a hidden place. And I come on that side, guys, and this is a so small area, and here is look like side. How is this? Here is a one, guys, where I stand here. Look, guys, how the deep side here. I stand in a very high side, guys, and people to see me, guys, where I do here. So guys, welcome back in my vlog. So guys, now my name is Pratik and I welcome to in my mini vlog. I welcome to in my vlog. So guys, now today I visit our Jalna some unique and some hidden places and some historical places. And most interesting thing is, guys, of that place, their place. Because no anybody can visit of that place, guys. And Jalnagar knows of that place, guys. And today I visit there, and this is the historical places of our Jalna city. This place to the family to live there in some years ago, and that place now are abandoned, and I visit there. So guys, stay tuned in my vlog. And guys, now come here, and I am now in a traffic light because the too much traffic, guys, here. And I think the another side car was coming in our Jalna city, and that reason this side has a traffic, guys, and this is a so big traffic, guys. And so guys, back in vlog. So guys, now I change my plan because, guys, I go that side, but there is a so noise, guys. I think there was a construction site was there is, I think, some construction doing, and that reason there is a so noise, and my voice can't can't listen perfectly, guys. That reason I change my plan, and I go to our Jalna some unit temple, the near of my home. I go there. So stay tuned in my vlog. And guys, this is that temple. And so guys, now I come here and now I shoot here. And guys, I come here this side so many times. But guys, the problem is that there is so many ritual and puja was continued, guys, and so public was come here. And that's the reason I can't visible shoot of this side, guys, because it's too much public, guys. And that's the reason now I come here, and this is a no any crowd, guys. This is a very silent place, and that's the reason I shoot here is a clear and perfectly. And guys, now we are come here and look how to hide this temple, guys. And this sides people say the Babaji's Khuti of this temple. And here is a three temple, guys. This is one, this is second, and there is a third one temple. And look how is this temple. And I think this is a very oldest temple, guys, in this site. And first I visited in this site temple, and I told you the history of this site. And guys, now I enter up this temple, and there is a Lord Shiv Bhagwan's pind. And look, guys, this pind made by the rock, and this is so beautiful, guys. And the inside of like this temple, guys, look how is this temple. And this is the upper side, and I think this is a very old temple, guys, very old. And here is I see a one drawing, guys, but this is not clearly visible, guys. And this is, I think, this is the Lord Ganesh, and this is another two gods. And this is a Ganesh, And there is another photo, and this is a not visible clear guys. Look how is this picture, and not visible clear guys. And here is the Shiv Bhagwan's one photo frame, and there is a one side guys. Look, I think of one hole guys of that side. There is one hole, and here is another one side. Here is the one way. I think go to the upside of this temple guys. And this look like the so old temple guys, because their structure also says. And look how the bigger wall guys, and this metal is so old guys. And there is a Nandi. And guys, how it's this temple? So guys, comment now. And guys, now I come on this side and I visit the another one temple. Wow. Guys, now I enter of this temple, and look, there is a lion guys. And when the lion in front of the temple, that means the guys, the Durga Ma's temple guys here. And I enter here, and look guys, how is this temple? Here is a Mahadev, and this is a Ma Durga, this is Lord Ganesha, this is Ma Lakshmi, and here is the Narsimha Bhagwan. Very beautiful guys of this side guys, look. And I first time take the darshan in Jalna guys, the Narsimha Bhagwan in any temple, because I not see in any temple guys in the Narsimha Bhagwan. And here is a one shankh, look, this is so old guys. And how is this? This is a Sri Ram, and this is a newly made Ram temple in India. That statue guys, this is. And look. And guys, when you see any front of the temple guys, the lion, that means the Ma Durga's temple is here. And look how is this temple. And this temple is look like so beautiful guys. And guys, now this side the third last temple, and now I visit. And guys, now take the darshan of these two temples, and I enter in the third temple. And here is the dogs. Shut. And now I enter this temple guys, and look, this is a Bajrang Bali guys. And in this side like this temple guys, and look. And I think this is a very old temple guys, and look like their doors guys, this is so tiny and small doors guys. And this is another side of this temple guys. This is the full whole area of this temple. And guys, now we are take the darshan of that two temples, and this is the third and last. And guys, now I come here, and this is another one temple, and this is so small guys. And this is a one tree, and look like this side. And how is this temple side? So comment now. And guys, now I just take darshan of this side, and here is a one well guys, and this well is a very old guys, because their structure are say guys, this fully made by the stone guys. And this is the one side guys, this is the one wheel guys, and take the rope of this wheel, and the what they call the bucket was down there, and take the water guys. And look, this fully well made by the rock. And I show you another thing of this side. This side guys, this is the one hidden way guys, Look guys, there is a one side guys. This is a hidden way to go to the down of this way down in the this soil guys, and this is a secret way to go to the Sinkher Raja. Sinkher Raja, this way go guys, and this way come to the Gayatri Mata Mandir, the Gayatri Mata Mandir of that side, and this way go to the Daulatabad. This is a hidden way guys. This is a hidden way, and look how is this way. And here is the so many beautiful Mahadev spin guys here. You look so tiny and small Mahadev spin, and so many guys of this side. And this is a hidden way. And you know of this side guys, so comment now. And guys, now I come on this side guys, and look guys how is this side. This is a hidden way, and I think this is side goes to the downside of this temple guys, and this is another way to go to the up guys, and I go to the up guys now, and I go up this side guys, but this is a so dusty area, and I go up this side next time, and first at I go off this side. And guys, now I come on this side, and I will show you how I come in this side guys. Look guys, this is a hidden way to come on upper this side guys. This is the second side of this temple guys, and this is a hidden place, and I come on that side guys, and this is a so small area, and here is look like side. How is this? Here is a one area guys, and this is the outside scene, and this is the one area guys, and look how is this scene. This is a one god statue here, and look like guys of this side, and I have this side, and I think this side is a secretly made guys, and I think this side used to the meditation guys, because there is a no any distraction guys of here to the meditation, and I think that's reason this side was made here. And look guys, this is so old area guys, and this is rounded area. We are coming that side, and this is the round area guys, full side, but there is a so dust guys, that's reason I go that side, and look like of this side guys. This is a rounded area, fully rounded area, and this is the middle side, and look how is this scene. And this is another path to go to the upside, and I go to the upside guys. And how is this side? So comment now. And guys, now I come this side guys. This is the upper side, and that side is the top middle side of this side guys. This side is the top middle side, and I go there. And look guys, how is this side? So crazy guys, so crazy. I come on this side guys. This is a secret part to come here. And look how is this side, and how is this made guys? Unbelievable thing guys, because I see this type things in Jannah first time guys. And look the outside, and here is one also. And look guys, there is our bike. Where is there is our bike. And how is this scene? So comment now, and I go to the upside. Wow. And guys, now I come on this side, and this is the top side guys of this side, and this is the end of this side guys, and I have the top middle side of this temple guys. And look how is the beautiful scene guys. I see the whole Jalna guys this side, and there is a Samruddhi Mahamar I see here. Look, there is. And look guys, how is this scene. Guys, where I stand here, look guys, how the deep side here. I stand in a very high side guys, and people to see me guys, where I do here, what I do here guys. Yes, I also come to the visit of this side guys, and look of this side, and this is the Kalash of this temple, and I see the full Jalna side guys of this side guys, and there is our Samruddhi Mahamarg, and look guys how is this side, and this is the path guys when we are come up this side, and guys now I down slowly up in temple, and guys now I go down of this side guys. This is a so tiny area guys, so tiny area guys. Now I come on this side guys, and look this side is a so tiny area, and guys look how is this side, this is a so tiny area guys, and now what, and guys now what I come on this side guys, now I guys, and look guys this is a so tiny area guys, and look guys of this side, and we are come down that side guys, there is a stairs, and this is a so tiny area guys, and how is this scene, so comment now guys. Now I go down of this side guys, and I will show guys how I go up down side, and guys look like this scene is here. And guys, how is look like this scene? So comment now. This is the second side, and go to the one down side. And look guys, how is this scene? And guys, now come this side guys, and there is another one path to the go to down of this temple guys, and I visit of this temple in next time. And guys, now we are on this side, and this is our temple. And guys, now I come in this side guys, and there is another one side, and we are visit to the tomorrow guys. Tomorrow visit of that side, and look how is this scene. Look there of that site, and this is so high guys, and how is go today's this another history of our Jalna city guys, so comment now guys. And I this side is I just so enjoy guys, so enjoy of this side guys, and what you look of this side and what you think about this side guys, so comment now. So crazy guys, so crazy. And guys now your area has a this type some historical and interesting place guys of your area in Jalna, so comment now guys. I visit there to the explore our Jalna's unseen history, and now guys I go to the home. And so guys now we are visit our Jalna some unique temple, and guys what you think about of that temple, so guys comment now. And also you enjoy this vlog, so also guys comment now. And guys really told you I so enjoy of this side guys today, because this side is just so interesting guys, because I see of this temple in outside look like the so simple and pretty of this temple guys, look like the so simple, but guys like this hidden the secrets to the inside of this temple guys I know guys, I don't know guys of this type the hidden some places and hidden sides of in this temple guys. And look like this temple is just so tiny guys, because there's so much of the secrets of inside of this temple guys. And when I go the top of this temple guys, and when we are come down of this side, guys, we see the some site in the go down of this temple guys. And I trying to the go up down guys, but the I lucky guys, I don't know why I not go up this side guys, because when I come out of this temple guys, and I say that there's the people of that side, they say me, when you go up that side you not go to the alone guys. When you go off that side you not go alone, you take the permission of there is a grandma guys, there has a one grandma, they tell me to first take the permission guys of when you go up downside, because there is so many secrets and some danger sides of in downside guys. And they tell me you not go to alone and you not go without permission of downside. And guys, I think the my decision is good guys, because I not go out of that side guys. Because guys, when I see of that side, I think I go up downside guys, because the clothes were dusty guys. That's reason I not go up that side. And when I got that side, and I don't know guys what happened with that side guys, because they tell me this is some danger guys, and I don't know what of danger of that side guys. And I think I go to the tomorrow of that side, because guys, tomorrow has a mera another plan guys. I have 3 plans, and they tell me another one plan, because and now I have the 4 plans, and I decide the which plan I prefer of tomorrow shoot guys. And guys, what you think about of that temple and what you think about this today's vlog, so comment now guys. And I hope you will enjoy of today's vlog. And guys, now this vlog was end here, and I hope you will enjoy this vlog. So guys, stay tuned in my vlog and like and subscribe this channel.